Hello everyone, and I hope everyone had a great holiday season. This is our first corporate update for 2024, and I would like to begin with the announcement that we did sign an agreement with B&F Greenhouse, and this particular agreement and collaboration agreement focuses on water remediation in the agriculture. For example, we believe our technology can provide much necessary efficiency in growing faster crops, providing more oxygenation. In addition, we believe that our technology can control the fungi and algae growth, including once we complete our first prototype on hydroplasma. That would be something that we can test in that field as well. So all in all, I believe this is a very new application or series of applications that we're going to be focusing on, and I do hope that within the next several months we're going to be able to report some really positive results. Secondly, I will come back a little bit with our business development in the Permian on water remediation in hydrocarbons. As I've mentioned to everyone in the past, that we have allocated our technology to one of the major water treatment or water remediation companies in the Permian. Installation is taking place right now, and I believe we're going to start off early next week. So we will provide the results. I truly look forward to this particular opportunity for us as well. This is not something that we haven't done in the past, but we are expanding our business across the board. In the next several weeks, I will update you guys also on the alchemy, a couple of other new applications that we're working on. So happy and healthy 24 to everyone, and look forward to speak with you next week.